So a while ago I made a power supply, but it was just a bunch of bare wires, and I want to actually make an enclosure for it and make it safer. So I designed a box for it in Blender and a lid for it so that I can 3D print it. Okay, 10 hours later the box is done. 4 hours later, the lid is done. Perfect. The parts kind of fell apart, so I have to put them together. But first I have to give my rectifier a heatsink. Okay, it's done. Okay, now I have to put the parts together. Okay, it's done. Okay, now all we have to do is put them in the box. Okay, we're done. Just kidding. Okay, we actually have to secure them, so I'm using alien tape. Okay, we need to cut the alien tape. Stop licking bugs, Susie. Okay, I'll put the transformer and rectifier in like this. Actually, no, I want to put it on the side like this, for easier access. Okay, I put in the capacitors like this. Okay, I will test the voltage with my multimeter. Okay, it's all connected. Okay, let's plug it in. Just kidding. Okay, it's working. Wait a second. It's only outputting 30 volts. It needs to be outputting 60 volts. Okay, let's discharge these capacitors. Sheesh. Okay, yeah, it's only outputting 30 volts. So I wonder if I did something wrong putting it back together. Okay, I went onto YouTube and found my old video where I originally built this thing. And I found where I said this. Yeah, it was actually 60 volts. That's too much for my induction heater, so I'll have to use one of the lower voltage pins on the transformer. That's right, the transformer was still plugged into the lower voltage pin. Better get soldering. Okay, it's done. I soldered the correct wires to the correct places. Okay, everything's connected. Let's fire it up. Yes, it works. 63 volts. Darn, that is a lot of power, and I think it'll be enough for the Tesla coil that I'm going to make in a future video. My ears are ringing. Oh my goodness. Now I'll put the lid on. Okay, it's done. And I kind of made some branding and other stuff with my soldering iron. Well, hope you learned something.